All right, happy Sunday evening, everyone. I'm Caitlin. I am back with, pardon the dog hair, back with another special edition of Caitlin's Sports Corner. And so today I went through this box right here. I found this while going through stuff, and when I opened it, you know, I was a bit surprised what I found. So check out. Oh, you can see you got some Pokemon here. Okay, and then you got like some card sleeves. Or let me flip it around for you. Here we go. Some card sleeves. You can see card sleeves, 3 of them. And then I have some Pokemon. I'm gonna put the box over here. Okay, let's take a look at the Pokemon. We got some Magic Gathering. And by the way, if any one of you know anything about this stuff, please let me know. And then I got some Magic Gathering cards. And we'll put them over here. And then the holy grail of Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards. So, anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to put the Yu-Gi-Ohs aside. Now, I know a little bit about Pokemon and zero about Magic, so you guys will have to show me. So let's go ahead and start with the Pokemon. So let's see what we got here. And we got and this is in fair condition. Oh yeah. We have a very shiny Victini 60. That's pretty shiny. Put that back over here on top of my Kindle. Then we'll flip that over. Ooh, we got a Reshiram. What's that? EP, stuff like that? What? Stuff like that, but whatever. 130. Regular Pokemon. There you go. And then, now this is Pokemon World Champions. Oh, cool. The Celebi 60. And see another Pokemon World. Let's send this a little bit. Sorry, guys. World Championship. This is 2012 cards, and this is in good condition too. Whoa, we got 2 of them. 2 Celebi. 2 of them. Wow. Both are in great condition as well. That's crazy. Put those over there. See, Pokemon, this one's a little beat up. We have the Bulbasaur, Dinosaur, Bulbasaur. Okay. Another Pokemon. Here we go. What do we got? Ooh, this is nice. This looks very good. Look at that shimmer. Ooh, this is a Entei. Number 80. And that Bulbasaur was a 40 HP. That's gorgeous. We're keeping that one. What do we have here? Very clean. Oh, semi-clean. A little nicked up, but I could probably make some profit off it. Moltres 70 PV. And this one's a little worn out. Let's see what this one is. There you go. See what this one is, right? Here we go. Woo! A Charizard. See, it's in fair condition. A little beat up, but overall, a great Charizard right there, guys. And that is 140. And as you see, there's like a little ding with it. These are going for big bucks though. This is in fair condition. Even in fair condition, these still go for pretty good. This is Fire Formation. Let's just see on this. Hang on. Each of Charizard's attacks does 10 more damage for each fire Pokemon on your bench to your opponent's active Pokemon before applying weakness and resistance. Well, anyone who understands this stuff, more power to you. And there we go. Alright, so and just for a record, I did pull two same cards. Let's see, where are the two? That's one. Put that gently over there. This is two, so I pulled two of these. And they're both the same card number, 60. But in great condition. Well, a little dent, but otherwise great condition. So, that's great. Let's go ahead and do the magic trading cards. I have no idea what these are about. So if you guys know anything about these, I'll be Bunimous. Bunimous, okay? Here we go. Actually, you know what? Ooh. I'm gonna move this up a little bit, guys. Get more sustainability here. No, it was working before. There we go. Let's see what kind of magic we have going on here. Great condition card, I might add. This is a Assassin Strike. Destroy target creature. Its controller discards a card when missionaries moved into the Shandev quarter. I don't know, I'm not gonna read this. I don't get it. But they good. Alright, we have Woodborn Beach Moth? Beachy Moth? Interesting. Can you all match run into that thing in real life? Good lord. This is a Scruff of the Sword. Oops. Ooh. There you go. Sorry. Scruff of the Sword. It's nice artwork. These are in fantastic condition. And we have Island. Now, I don't understand how magic works, guys, so if you guys know, please let me know. I have no idea how this works. And we have Armored Cantrix. Hang on, guys, sorry. I like this phone. These smart flip phones make it easier, but sometimes you move too much. 2 out of 5. This is a... Oh, come on. A Celestial Flare. The target player sacrifices an attacking or blocking creature. A little Fortnite-ish thing, don't you think? Scroll Thief. 1 out of 3, guys. Modern Maulhorn. Bramble Crush. Brambler Crush. Would that be a good band name? Brambler Crush. We're Brambler Crush. See what happens when I'm unsupervised? Lay of the Land. Now, all these are in great condition. Here we go. Elvish Mystic. Wild Guess. Advocate of the Beast. That's a gnarly looking card. I like the illustration. Too much math on this one. Awaken the Accent. Oh, Agent. Agent, excuse me. Accent. Psh. Soul Mender. You gain 1 life. Healing is more than magic. Well, there's still quite a bit of magic. 1 of 1, people. That's a great one. I like that. That's a cool card. Alright. Last one. The Goblin Shortcutter. When Goblin Shortcutter enters the battlefield, target creature can't block the turn. In a quote, I'm not running away. And figuring out the best routes, you name it. 2 of 1. Aren't we? That's a good quote, by the way. So yeah, these are Magic Gathering cards. And I tell you what, they're all in great condition. And yeah, so they're all in great condition. Yeah, see here, they're all in great condition, not like a dent or anything. Magnificent condition. Can't believe somebody lost track of these. So if anybody's interested, for any of the cards I'm showing tonight, like Magic and Pokemon, or the Pokemon cards, again, the framework, there you go. Also the Yu-Gi-Oh cards too, and the cards from my previous video. Please reach out to me. I'll leave my email in the description, so you guys could just email me and ask and give me an offer. I'll be more than happy to work with you. I'm pretty fair with offer prices, so I'm willing to get rid of these. I'm also willing to get rid of these. Unfortunately, I like to get these graded, but if any of these would like a home, that would be great. These 2. Same thing for Yu-Gi-Oh, which is up next. So again, I'll leave my email in the description. You guys can email me and make an offer. All right. The card stack of the hour. Well, 14 minutes, really. Man, these are going to be a lot of cards. Now, to my knowledge, Yu-Gi-Oh. These are in great condition, okay? So here we go. Ooh, that's a pretty card. Look at that. So again, guys, I understand Pokemon, but I do not understand Magic, and I do not understand Yu-Gi-Oh. Ooh, look at that. If you're interested in cards, I'll drop my email on the bottom in the description, and we'll talk about it, guys, alright? Give me an offer. Give me an offer I can't refuse, and if you like the whole I could sell the whole magic. That's gorgeous. Magic cards all at once. I could do that. I can sell all the Pokemon cards at once. I could sell these all at once. Or I could sell all of them in one setting. So it's totally up to you how you guys want to do it. I'll leave my email and leave it for you guys to decide. Look at that shimmery. Unless it's not being sold, I'm definitely sharing this on What's Not auction. Look at shimmy shimmy. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, purpley. And also, guys, the 2021 MLB opening day factory sealed 37 or 35 cards, whatever it is. It will be here tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is do a quick little video of maybe opening 2 packs. And the rest I'm going to save for our auction for Whatnot. Okay, so. And just like I said before, regarding cards, I am more than open for an offer. I can. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Wow. And it's in great condition, too. So you just tell me which card you guys want, or you guys want to buy the whole thing, or what pile of cards, be my guest. Okay? Just make me an offer, I can't refuse. Alright? Wow. Alright, I'm going to divide this pile up. There we go. Let's do this one. Alright, this is a basic. Dark Illusion. So I'm going to have everything a little sorted out differently. These are in great condition too. Alright, we got another one. I got 2 of them. Dark Illusions. These are 2 of them. Ooh, another pretty one. Yeah, I can't believe somebody wanted to get rid of these. I'm like, these are just too good to miss. Alright, this is a Forbidden Lance. Ooh. That's a nice one. Look how that shimmers. I mean, it's in great condition. I am not seeing anything at all. Yeah, we'll put it. Ooh. Okay, this is a little scratched up. Well, that's not a bad card. It's still a little scratched up. You see little scratches on there. Nothing big. I mean, so bad. Basic. Ugh. Right leg of the forbidden one. Which one's forbidden? Who's the friend? There are plenty of forbidden things in this world, I tell you. And people too. Which one? This is a gorgeous card. A little scratched out. Well, not that I can see. This is a gorgeous card. Look how that shimmers. Ooh, you got double. Pulled another double. I have two doubles going on here. Look at, got a double. Put those over there. Ooh. God, pull another double. I pulled another double. I'll be darned. Now I got two lows. I'm going to divide these up a little bit. We will get through this a little bit quicker if I could just stop being so paranoid about how many cards there are. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Ooh. There's this one. Oh, wow. That is a gorgeous card. Look at that. Let's go. Yeah, we got another purple. A lot of purples are in this one. But me back. Ooh, that, yeah, I knew it. It's another double. I called it. I know I pulled it earlier. I'll put that one in pairs. Ooh. Yeah, this is a little scratched up. You can see little scratches right there. Yeah, let's see. What? Why don't we just breeze through them now? Yeah, sorry guys, I have bad elbows, so I love doing this, but my elbows don't. But I'm gonna keep doing this because I love it. Ooh, that's fancy. Almost resembles me in Morning Without Coffee. Oh man, it does. I'm not kidding, people. Put those over there. Alright. Ooh, now purple. How many purples are there? Good grief. Yep, called it. Nope, wrong card. Yeah, nope. Okay. That's pretty cool looking. A little scratched up. There's some scratches. Nice card though. Tyranno Infinity. Here, kitty. Does he look so friendly? Whoa! Gladiator. That, by my French, that is badass. Ooh, this is a pretty one. Oh, we got a double. Voila. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Get a couple doubles. That's a double. Where did that go? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Any of those doubles? No. I reckon I'm having that is scratched up. This one's nice though. Alright, on to the next set. Oh, double. Call it another double. Two doubles. Amazing. Alright, so let's send those over there. Let's do this one real quick. Ooh, double. 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 That's pretty gnarly looking. That'd be a cute dog, don't you think? Double. That's cute. Look at that one. Triple. Let's see here. Okay. Double. Another double right here. Let me get that over there. Yep. This one's a little bent, but this one's in great condition. Oh, that's not a double. This is flashy. Oh, well. We'll take it. Sorry, guys. I'm just observing. Is that another double? No, I was hoping for another double. Wait. I think we got a couple of doubles here. Give me a second. Yep, double. Okay, hang on. Which ones do we have? Two. Gnarly. Okay, so we got a double of this. Oh, cool. We do have some more doubles. So we got two dark holes. And then with this one, give me a second, guys. I'm trying to figure this out really quick. Let me figure this out really quick. Let me figure this out really quick, guys. This one I just saw. Over there. Interesting. Never mind then. We're carrying on. Alright, to this one. Here we go. Oh, here. Oh, that's definitely a double. I'll put that over there. Okay, I know I have a double of this card now. Put it over there. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that was a double, wasn't it? I'll look later. Okay, we do have another dark hole. Ooh, that's a nice shiny one. It's a little bit of scratches on it, unfortunately, but that's pretty good. I think this might be double. I have to go through all these again after I'm done, see if I find any doubles. Double. I think we have... No. Oh, those there. Oh, there's an extra card in this box. And it is a... interesting. Swift Scarecrow. Ooh, that's a pretty one. That over there. Oh, that's gonna be a triple? No, that's gotta be a double for something else then. Okay, hey, hold up. Hold up. So this is a double. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Triple. Oh man. There's gonna be a lot of doubles and stuff. Oh lord. This is gonna be a while. Ooh, that's a nice one. A little scratched up, but very nice. Still can't believe somebody didn't want these. I like that one. Last one. Alright. What I'm going to do now is get these doubles going here. So, we'll go with what we have. We'll put that there. We'll put those there. Alright, so these are the... if you hear any popping, it's my elbow. It's mad at me. I don't care, cause I love it. Alright. This is the double, triples. Okay, and then we got those doubles, then we got with those doubles, You got those triples. I think we're okay for the time being. So, I'm going to look at these really quick. We got anything worth green. Color coordination's key, people. Okay, double. Brown. see. Color coordination. Purple. Purple. Green. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay. So, we got those here. These are already good to go. Let's see what we got with these. Brown. Okay, so we got another tree. Another tree goes back. That's a triple tree. Then, oh, I don't know anymore, people. I don't know. I'll fill these later on when I have more patience. So yeah, so guys, these are really in good condition, almost mint in my opinion. Of what the heck? Of my phone just did something, I don't know what it did. Of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You can see here. Fine condition. So if you're wondering what my estimate would be, so for for the magic cards and the let's put it this way. Okay, so for give me a second, let me get these back together here and then we'll talk about. I'm trying to think of prices here. So if you're going to email me and say, hey, Kate, I'm interested. I am heavily interested in your, say, magic cards, which I'll describe to you in a minute. Again, my email, it will be in the description. But, again, I don't really have a sale price just yet. I've thought of one for all of them, actually. Or if you're going to buy the small box all together, okay? Ow! Did y'all hear that pop? My elbow just went... like, ow! Boy, I hope surgery's close. I really do. Enough of that nonsense. Now, so if you're going to say you message me about these Pokemon cards, okay? Pending which card talk about. Could be this one. I'll give you these two. If you buy one of these cards, I'll throw in the second one for free. This one. This one. This one. You was Charizard. This one. This one or this one. So per card, I'll say $2 per card for Pokemon. But if you want the whole thing, I mean, all the cards in here. So yeah, how many cards are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Based on the cards on here, and plus the condition of the Charizard, which is in fair condition. You see it's a little scratched up a little bit. Not really scratched up, but what it is that it's got that dent like right here. I found these cards like these, so I don't understand who give up a Charizard. There's a dent there, but it's in fair condition. Yeah, I'll show you the back. Back's a little beat up. See that? You got like a couple of dents here. So, if you want to buy all of these cards, all together, I'll say $6. $6 for all these cards. $6. Now, as for Magic, they are in near mint condition, as far as I could tell. I mean, yeah, these cards are in near... They have a little itty-bitty dents on them, like right here. like right here. But other than that, they're great cards in great condition. I know nothing about this stuff. Oh, if you were gonna ask about a card, emailed me, asked me about a card, I'm gonna say $2 per card. 2. Now, if you want the whole thing, how many cards are in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 16. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, 16. So it's gonna be $2 per card. But if you want all 16 cards, and this is in great condition. Pokemon was $6. This is in great condition. $10. $10 for all these. $10. $2 per card. $10. Same thing for Pokemon. $2 per card for Pokemon. And $6 altogether. Okay, now as for the Yu-Gi-Oh! So, man, based on the condition of these baby cards, I'm going to say $5 per card. And how many cards are there? So $5 per card. Okay, I take that back. Let's do $2 per card. So $2 per card for this, $2 per card for Magic, $2 per card for Pokemon. Pokemon for all cards are $6. For all the Magic cards, they're $10. In this, let's see how many cards we have. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a little beat up, so I'll take that in consideration. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 21. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm not counting all these, but I'm going to say, based on that used card and the condition the rest of them are in, including the sparkling ones, like this one, I'll say for the whole thing, so it's going to be $5. No, let's say $2. Keep everything $2. Again, $2 per card for Yu-Gi-Oh! $2 per card for Magic, $2 per card for Pokemon, so it'll be $6 for all the Pokemon cards, $10 for the Magic cards, and concerning all these, I'll sell these all at once. I'll say $15 for this whole thing. Now, what if you emailed me saying, Kate, what about the whole thing? You mean for the whole box and stuff? Well, considering that stay up. There you go. Considering the shape of the box that this is in, and the condition of the box, you can see it's a little dented there. Oh! Get your booty back in there. But it's miraculously that these cards survived in this box. I'm going to say for this box of the Pokemon, Magic, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Altogether, $50. $50 for this whole thing. So again, just a little recap it's $2 per card for all of them. But if you want all the Pokemon cards, they're $6, okay? And if you want all the Magic cards, that's $10. And for all the Yu-Gi-Oh cards, the big bundle, the big thing, The not big bundle, the big pile. $15. For the whole box, I take it back. For the whole box, I'll do $25 for everything. So I'm going to put my email in the description. And the next upload hopefully will be tomorrow. And it will be with the Topps 2021 update. So if you're interested, just email me. And if you like the prices that I just mentioned, great. If you want to counter the offer, or propose a new offer, let me know. I'll be happy to meet you at a good point. In the meantime, guys, take care. Stay safe. Oops, sorry. Stay safe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.